Hey guys, today I'm going to share with you how to make chicken roll taquitos. So if you want to learn how to make them, just stay tuned and I'll show you how. Alrighty guys, so here I already have all of my ingredients. As always, they will be listed in the description box. So with that being said, let's begin cooking. Okay, so we're going to begin by filling up our pot halfway with water. Set it over high heat. To that we're going to be adding one potato. Create some slits but make sure not to go all the way down. Along with that, one bay leaf, 2 garlic cloves, half of a small onion, 2 tablespoons of salt, and 1 teaspoon of peppercorn. We're just going to bring it to a boil. Once the water is ready, we're going to add our 2 pounds of chicken breast. And here we're going to reduce the heat to medium and allow it to cook for 25 minutes or until the chicken is fully cooked. Okay, so after 25 minutes, our chicken and potatoes should be fully cooked. Of course, make sure that you check it. We're just going to be removing it from the pot. The potato. Okay. And we're also going to be removing the garlic cloves, bay leaf, the piece of onion, and 1/4 of a cup of broth. So we're just going to give a couple minutes for our chicken to cool down. So like that we can get ready to shred it. And we're also going to be making our sauce. Alright, so now we're just going to shred our chicken and smash down our potato. And once we have that, now we're just going to set it to the side so we can make our sauce. Okay, so now to your blender cup, add 2 Roma tomatoes, a piece of onion, garlic cloves, bay leaf, 10 ounces of diced tomatoes with chili. Going to season with tomato bouillon, cumin, and salt. And add the chicken broth. Now we're just going to be blending until smooth. And once we have that, we can take it back to the stove. Okay, so here we're just going to heat up our pot over medium heat. Once it's nice and hot, add the sauce. Now we're just going to bring it to a simmer and allow it to simmer for 5 minutes. Okay, so after 5 minutes, our sauce should have reduced. So here you're going to taste it for salt and see if you need to adjust it. And once done, now we're just going to add our chicken and potato and just mix it in with the sauce. Okay, so now we're just going to give it a couple minutes, allow all the flavors to come together, and then we can get ready to roll our taquitos. Okay, so after a couple minutes, our filling is done, so now we can get ready to make our taquitos. Okay, so here I already softened my tortillas. So now we're going to get ready to stuff them with our filling. You add as much as you want. And now we're just going to tight roll them and get ready to fry them. Now fry your taquitos until they're nice and golden on both sides. Okay, so once our taquitos are nice and golden on both sides, we're just going to drain as much oil as possible and set them over paper towels. Alrighty guys, and now for the fun part, serving. So here we're going to top our taquitos with all of our favorite toppings. I'm going to begin by spreading some sour cream. Just make sure that you spread it. And this is going to work as our glue for our lettuce. Now we top it with our lettuce. Going to drizzle some crema mexicana, my avocado salsa, squeeze some lime juice. Going to top it with some queso fresco, tomatoes, of course my favorite salsa, and finishing it up with some avocado. And just like that, we can now get ready to enjoy our delicious chicken taquitos. Alrighty guys, and now for the best part, the taste test. Now let me tell you guys that I love taquitos, and this right here are seriously my favorite. They're so flavorful. The chicken is so juicy. It's honestly the best. So hope you give it a try and enjoy it and just as much. Cheers and enjoy. They're so good. I could eat the whole batch, let me tell you. The best. Alrighty guys, and there you have it, how I make my super easy and delicious chicken roll taquitos. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video, and if you did, please don't forget to give me a big thumbs up. share with your friends and family. And if you regret this recipe, please don't forget to tag me in any of my social medias. And if you're new to my channel, please hit that subscribe button so you guys can be part of our family. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye.